Hello class! Today we're going to be learning how to find direct objects and indirect objects. And I know that's probably something that you've learned and done before, but sometimes it can get confusing with different areas of it. So we're gonna go over it again today, and I'm gonna use Fingerpuppets to help you focus more and just really grasp the concept of it. And so sometimes sentences aren't really complete when it's just the subject and verb, and that's not really sufficient to complete the thought. Goldilocks ate. Ate what? We need more description in order to get a full picture. And complements that are concerned in some way with the action of a verb are called objects. So direct objects are talking about the action of the verb. Goldilocks ate what? An indirect object is also talking about the action of a verb. And objective complements we'll talk about another day. A direct object is a substantive, or a noun, that receives the action of a verb, or shows the result of that action. So Goldilocks ate the porridge. What did she eat? The direct object answers the questions whom or what after the verb. Goldilocks ate what? The porridge. So porridge would be the direct object. The is an adjective describing porridge. An indirect object is a substantive or a noun that tells to whom or for what the action of the verb is done. If there is an indirect object, which there isn't always an indirect object when there's a direct object. But when there is an indirect object, there will always be a direct object. And it will come before the direct object. To apologize, Goldilocks made the 3 bears porridge. So Goldilocks and made are the subject and verb. But what did she make? She made the porridge. And for what did she make the porridge? For the bears. 3 and the are describing bears. So porridge would be your direct object, and bears would be your indirect object. And so we're going to do a few exercises, and you're going to tell me what the direct object is in the sentence. We're going to walk through it together. So the monkey ate the banana. So ate is the verb, and monkey is the subject. The monkey ate what? He ate the banana. So that would make banana direct object because it answers the question whom or what the monkey ate. I would hope the monkey isn't eating a whom. And so the next one is the lion scared the giraffe. So the first thing you have to do is find the verb. Scared is the verb. They came up to the giraffe and they scared the giraffe away. So scared is the verb, and the lions were the ones doing the scaring. So lions scared whom or what? Lions scared the giraffe. So that would make giraffe the direct object. And these two example sentences had something in common. They both had action verbs. And anytime you have a direct object, it has to come after an action verb. So an action verb is anything that expresses action. So like running away would be an action verb. And tomorrow we'll discuss what state of being verbs, what is the monkey is sad. What would that be indicating? And so we'll learn about predicate adjectives tomorrow. And now we're going to find the direct object in the next 2 sentences. The farmer liked his chick. So the farmer liked his chick. What is the verb in this sentence? Liked is the verb. And farmer is the subject. The farmer liked what? The farmer liked his chicken. Sorry, chicken, not chick. The farmer liked his chicken. And the farmer gave grain to his chicken. So gave is the verb. Farmer is the subject. But what did he give? Did he give his chicken? No, that doesn't make sense. He gave grain. And to his chicken is a prepositional phrase here. To is a preposition. And chicken is the object of the preposition. And so I put this in here to make sure you guys understood that direct objects don't come inside of prepositional phrases. Right now, they have to come not in a prepositional phrase. So gave grain. Grain is what he was giving. Farmer gave what? Gave grain. And grain would be the direct object there. And now we have Patrick gave Theo the banana. So Patrick gave Theo the banana. Gave would be the object. Patrick is the subject. Well, gave is the verb. Patrick is the subject. But what did Patrick give? Did he give Theo? No, he gave the banana. So banana would be the direct object. Gave banana to whom or for whom? He gave the banana to Theo. So Theo would be the indirect object here, as shown here. The baby chick is small. So is the subject. And chick is the verb. And chick is the subject. Do we have a direct object in this sentence? No, because there's an action verb. It is not an action verb. It is a linking verb. And because it's a linking verb, it has to be a predicate adjective that follows it. And we'll go over more of this tomorrow with predicate adjectives versus direct objects. But today, I hope that you remembered that action verbs will have a direct object. And they could have an indirect object, but they don't always have an indirect object. Like with him giving the banana to Theo. Or giving Theo the banana. And so I hope this was a quality lesson for you guys. And make sure to do your practice problems for homework, and I will see you tomorrow.